Japanese automaker Nissan and France's Renault will pump in $600 million in India. That's right. The investment is geared towards developing 4 new SUVs and 2 electric cars. The investment will go into their plant in Chennai. More than 2,000 local jobs will be created due to this investment. The companies say that the Chennai facility would emerge as a major export hub. The Tamil Nadu government has hailed the investment. It has called the investment a major boost for Make in India. What's more, the discovery of 5.9 million tons of lithium is expected to pull more EV manufacturers to India. Take a look at this next detailed report.
Nissan COO Ashwani Gupta is really upbeat about India's future and the future of the Indian EV market. More so after India discovered huge reserves of lithium. Here's what Gupta told Beyond in an exclusive interview.
Yesterday we announced two A segment cars, right? Definitely the question comes, what are you going to do with supply chain? Because the supply chain has to be competitive. Then only, the battery car can be profitable and affordable by the customer. And in the supply chain, the most thing comes is the minerals. And when I also got this news about lithium, I said, wow, this is a great news.
For India, the investment announcement comes at a crucial time. Most of the world is staring at an economic slowdown. US companies are laying off thousands of workers. The European Union is tipped to narrowly avoid recession. China is still reeling under the impact of its zero-COVID policy. But India's has been a different story altogether. It's indeed a bright spot in a dark horizon. India is now a preferred destination for major global companies. Earlier, many of the Western companies preferred China. But geopolitical tensions have spurred a rethink on their part. The need to diversify supply chains away from China is pressing. And that's where India comes in. Apple and Foxconn have already announced their big plans for India. And now, Nissan and Renault plan to make India a major export hub. This is what Nissan has to say. India was the first alliance plant, and India will be at the center of this new chapter of the alliance, with new vehicles, new R&D activities and new export markets taking our joint operations to the next level. As fate would have it, Nissan and Renault ripped their alliance for China last year. The reason? Renault was fed up with Nissan's flagging sales in China. It was a major setback for the global automaker alliance's ambitions in China. And evidently, India is now a top destination for investment.
Beyond World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.